there's so many beautiful pastimes in Vrindavan. And Prabhupada, he wanted us to come here and worship Radha and Krishna. And he explains in some nice quotations, what does it mean to worship Radha and Krishna? In Prabhupada's own words, we can just close with some description of that. He says, Prabhupada says, we should be more interested in worshiping Radharani than Krishna. This is in Vrindavan in 1975. In Vrindavan, we find that devotees chant Radharani's name more than they chant Krishna's name. Wherever we go in India, we will find devotees chanting Radhe Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Radhe Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Shri Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Radhe Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Shri Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Radhe Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Shri Radhe. We should be more interested in worshipping Radharani. For however fallen we may be, if somehow or other we can please Radharani, we can very easily understand Krishna. If we try to understand Krishna by the speculative process, we'll have to spend many lifetimes. Now, in other words, speculative means with our mind. With your mind, if you try to understand Krishna, Krishna is Achintya Shakti. How can you understand Achintya Shakti? Vishnu says trying to understand Krishna with your mind is the same as trying to put an elephant on a saucer. Trying to accommodate an elephant on a small tali. Your mind is like a tali. Our minds are like talis. An elephant, you can't. It's impossible to accommodate. So you can't. With your speculation, with your mind, how can you understand Krishna? You can't. Forget it. So, take shelter of Radharani. We will have to spend many lifetimes. But if we take to devotional service and just try to please Radharani, then Krishna can very easily be realized. Radharani is such a great devotee that she can deliver Krishna. This is Radharani. This is from Bhagavad Gita in 73 in London, in Radhastami lecture. On Radhastami, Prabhupada gave a class from Bhagavad Gita and talked about Radharani. If someone approaches Srimati Radharani and begs for her mercy, she will say, Krishna, oh Krishna, here is a devotee. He's better than me. That's what she'll say. This is Radharani. I may not be a devotee. I may be a most fallen rascal. But if I try to reach Krishna through Radharani, then my business will be successful. Therefore, we should worship Radharani first. Hare. This is our business. Instead of offering one flower to Krishna, you just put that flower in the hands of Radharani and you say, my mother, Radharani, oh Jagan Mata, that if you kindly take this flower and offer it to Krishna. Oh, Radharani says, oh, you have brought a flower?